Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how you can send fax message from Samsung Galaxy M34. So, in the first step, open the Play Store and in the search bar look for the fax app. Choose Easy Fax, install it and open. Remember that you have your frequency banner, sometimes you have to restart the application to show it again if you want to send your message for free. Okay, now decide that you want to get notifications and click on the X. Now tap on the plus and choose source of your document. I'm gonna pick something from my gallery, like this one. Now click on the import. Then you can add this shape to your document or the picture. And if you are ready, click on the arrow icon. Now choose the filter for photo to make it more visible. If you are ready, click on the accept icon. Type the number in this place, choose the country from the list, and to send the message, just click on this button. This is how it works. Thanks for watching, leave us a like, recommend, and goodbye.